if your mother's messaging,
Yeah, it's stomach pain. I don't know why.
you know. Have you had your breakfast, Ifa?
Yeah. Uh, Not breakfast, but chai.
Chai. Zaira, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, someone needs to join. I think yes, Neil, Hannah. Hannah is here. Hannah, are you there?
Yes,
Yes, have you all? Good? Okay.
yes, teacher.
Yeah, what about your magazine articles? Did you started that?
I started it.
Okay, okay.
No, I didn't. I'll start today.
What, 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 Shakira?
What to do? We have to do with that.
Oh, you have to
I
do.
don't.
What about your articles, Hannah?
Ma'am, which
The magazine, for the magazine.
are
Just take your WhatsApp group. One message I shared in the WhatsApp group is related the magazine article, magazine publishing. So we are collecting articles from the students. The other details is there. Kindly check that now.
that lipstick going down?
Which one?
Uh, a litmus paper.
Litmus paper. No.
That we are already done yesterday. That we are already done.
I think that's your activities. I'm saying
Yeah.
about the magazine publishing, Hannah. Our school is decided to publish a magazine, a digital magazine. So we need your articles like essays, poem, reports. So other details are in the WhatsApp group. Please check the message. So which is the first period?
Uh, Science.
Yeah, science. Your ma'am will join.
Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Anything to say? Okay, everyone, try to complete your assignments within due date. Okay,
Good
that's
morning, ma'am.
good morning, Ayan. Okay, just stay here. Your ma'am will join. Okay,
Okay.
I'll be also here.